In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an autoresponder to only certain tags in Getresponse. The key idea here is that instead of sending an autoresponder to everyone on a list, you can trigger a message only when a specific tag is applied to a contact. This is useful when you want different follow-ups for different interests, sign-up sources, or customer types, while keeping everything organized inside Getresponse automation. To begin, go into your Getresponse account and open the Tools section. From there, choose Automation. This is where you can build workflows that react to subscriber actions, like being tagged, opening an email, or clicking a link. Once you are in automation, click Create Workflow. When you see the different options, choose Build from Scratch. Building from scratch gives you full control, so your autoresponder is tied only to the tag you choose, and nothing else triggers it by accident. Now you will set the workflow starting point. In the elements you can use as a trigger, select Tag Assigned. This means the workflow will start only at the moment Getresponse detects that the chosen tag has been added to a contact. In the Properties panel, open the dropdown and select the specific tag you want to use. Take a second to confirm you picked the correct one, because this tag is what decides who receives the message. Next, you will add the email action. On the right sidebar, find the Send Message element. Drag it onto the canvas and connect it to the Tag Assigned block. The connection line is important because it tells Getresponse what should happen immediately after the tag is applied. With the Send Message element selected, choose your message from the Message Type dropdown. Select Automation, or select the prepared email you want to send, depending on how your account is set up and how you have saved your email. Make sure you pick the exact message you want contacts with that tag to receive. Finally, click Save and Publish. Publishing turns the workflow on, so it can start sending automatically as soon as the tag is assigned. That covers everything you need to know.